Alright, Shalom Akim. Welcome to our final lesson on how to change tenses. We went through the present tense and the past tense, and in this lesson we're going to deal with the future tense. And I just want to make this one mention again. This lesson is for the more advanced brothers that, that's getting into the Hebrew. So I mean, if it sounds a little complicated, just watch it a few times, take notes, and you'll be able to get it. But if you just learning the Hebrew, just stick to learning the alphabet, learning certain basic words, and eventually you'll get into this once you start reading the Torah, because really this will really come in handy when you're reading the Torah, or some brothers that might like to write Hebrew sentences. This will come in handy, to be able to help them with writing these sentences. And like I mentioned before, and with these lessons here, you have to make sure that when you're writing a sentence, first and foremost you have to know if you're speaking about a male or female, and second of all you have to know whether you're speaking about singular or plural, and that way you can reflect it on the actual your actual sentence and how you're writing it, because other than that you'll get confused. Alright, but this here is a future tense, which the way you say future is aithayad. See it here, aithayad. Alright, that's how you say future. Alright, so I, male plus female, which is I is in the singular person. Male plus female, you add a ah. There you go, ah, at the beginning of the word. Alright, and I'll give you an example. It says I will watch. Male plus female, anya, ah, shamar. See, you will add the ah there. That's the letter there that you'll see that will change this particular tense to future tense. Now, alright, so now keep in mind also that with these lessons, you're not gonna get it right away. Like if you're reading the Torah, you might see a word. Just because a word has an I at the beginning doesn't mean that it's future tense. You have to find, like the word aparium. The word aparium means is the way you say Ephraim in the Hebrew, which the word is I or I am, par is fruit, and the yum at the end makes it plural. I am fruitful. So in that case, that's not dealing with a future tense, word. You have to find, you have to figure out by going back and forth in the English, and and eventually you'll get it. All right, it takes practice. So it says I will watch, male plus female, anya, ashamar. Anya is I, and shamar will watch. I will watch. Alright, so you got the shamar, which is watch, and shamar. Shamar is how you would change it and make it future tense. Will watch. Alright, shamar will watch. Alright, going to the next one. The next one is you, male plus female. For the male, you add a tha at the beginning of the word. That's how you would distinguish. That's how you would make it future tense, and how you would distinguish that it's dealing with a male. Okay, it says you will watch. Atha tha shamar. Atha is you, tha shamar will watch. You will watch. Once again, shamar is watch. Tha shamar will watch. And you brothers that's out there that's getting into this, if you want, you can also either replace the Paleo Hebrew or the ancient Hebrew or the Lashon Kodash, and you can put the Syrian script on here, the Aramean. You can put that here also, because this is the ancient. So if you learn the ancient, you would only really be able to read the ancient text of the Hebrew. So if you brothers want to learn the Syrian text, or the Aramean as they call it, you would just substitute these letters for the Syrian script, or you can put them both side by side if you want. Depends on you. All right, so you will watch. Atha tha shamar. Atha is you. Tha shamar will watch. Shamar is watch, and tha shamar as you see here will watch. All right, now the feminine way of doing it is you would add a tha at the beginning of the word, and then add a ya at the end. says you will watch. Atha tha shamar ya. Atha tha shamar ya. Atha is you, tha shamar ya will watch. That's in the future tense. Alright? So the way you say watch, once again, is shamar, which is watch. And the way you would make it future tense for feminine or for female is tha shamar ya. Tha shamar ya will watch. Alright? The next one is he. So he, you will add a ya at the beginning of the word. Hawa'a ya shamar. Hawa'a is he, ya shamar will watch. Alright, he will watch. Shamar is watch. Ya shamar is will watch. This is the future tense of saying it. Alright. Now she, you add a tha at the beginning of the word. So see, with these letters and these letter combinations that you add to these words, they will change the tense as well as change the gender or the number of people that you're speaking about. See, those are key things that you have to remember, in order to get, to really understand these lessons here, and to be able, when you read it in the Torah, to be able to understand the Torah. All right. So she, you add a tha at the end. You add a tha at the beginning of the word. She will watch. Haya'a tha shamar. Haya'a is she. Tha shamar will watch. Future tense. All right. Shamar is watch. Tha shamar will watch. Future tense. All right. The next one is we. Male plus female. You add a na at the beginning of the word. We will watch. Male plus female. So it doesn't matter which one you use this one for. Anachnawa na shamar. You see, so you see how it says you add a na at the beginning. Anachnawa is we. See, we. Here you go. Here goes the na. Anachnawa na shamar. All right. Anachnawa is we. Na shamar is will watch. Future tense. Shamar is watch. Na shamar will watch. Future tense. All right. Now the next one is you. Male plus female plural. See, so though this is important, you have to know how many people you're speaking about. So for the male, for you plural in the male form, you will add a tha at the beginning of the word and a wa at the end. For example, you will watch, male plural, a thumb, tha shamar wa. A thumb, tha shamar wa. You see the tha at the beginning, as it says here, and you see the wa at the end. A thumb, tha shamar wa. A thumb is you, male plural. Tha shamar wa is will watch, future tense. Once again, shamar is watch. Tha shamar wa is will watch. Oh, this is supposed to be an L. Is will watch. Okay? And is will watch, but it's masculine plural. Alright? It's just as easy, it's just as simple as adding a letter or a combination of letters to change the tense, or to change the number of people you're speaking about, or to change the gender that you're speaking about. Alright, now you, female plural, you will add a tha at the beginning of the word and a nah at the end of the word. Alright? For instance, before I go into it, a brother had asked me about in the last lesson, or actually the first lesson that we did on the present tense, about the word shamar. Matter of fact, I just make a quick point, then I go back to that. The word shamar, right, is watch, is the way you say watch, right? Now if you want to make it plural, if you want to make it feminine, you would make it shamar, shamara, shamara, because you add a ha at the end. But it seems, if you look at it, it seems like it's just a ah that you add at the end. And the reason why it looks that way is because you have 4 letters, sha, ma, ra, and a ha at the end, right? This is what the word shamar consists of. It consists of 4 letters. So if you write it out like that, it's sha, ma, ra, ha. But when you put it together, it's shamar. That's how you say it. But then when you add the ha at the end, I'm sorry. Let me go back. Alright, the word shamar consists of 3 letters, sha, ma, and a ra. But when you connect them, it's shamar. So you would drop the a at the end off, right? Make it shamar. But now if you add a ha at the end, what you do is you actually make it 4 letters, but this ma and the ra are separate from each other. So it would be, instead of shamar, it would be sha, ma, ra. Because it's 4 letters, right? Sha, ma, ra, and ha. But then these two would connect. The ra and the ha would connect, right? I'm sorry. The ra and the ha would connect. So you would drop the ah at the end off. Shamara. See how you got here? It would have been sha, ma, and a ra. Well, really, when you put it together, this last a here would be gone to connect the shamar. Same thing with the female. Sha, ma, ra, ha. Right? You would connect the ra and the ha, and then this a at the end would drop. That's why it looks like it's an I at the end. All right, just want to make a quick mention of that because the brother had asked. So I hope that answers the brother's question. All right, so going back up here to the feminine plural, you add a tha at the end, at the beginning, and na at the end. See, it's the same thing here. It looks like it's a ah, but it's really a ha, because the na and the ha are connected together. All right, that makes it feminine. All right, so you watched feminine plural is a thun, tha, shamar, na. A thun is you, feminine plural. Tha, shamar, na is will watch. All right, and this distinguishes that it's you speaking about a female, and this is future tense. Tha, shamar, na. Shamar is watch. Tha, shamar, na. Tha, shamar, na is will watch. All right. They, male plus female plural. The male plural, you add a ya at the beginning and a wa at the end. They will watch, male plural. This is the future tense. Hum, ya, shamar, wa. You see, you add a ya right here at the beginning, right? And you add a wa at the end. See? So it's hum, ya, shamar, wa. Hum is they, male plural. Ya, shamar, wa is will watch, future tense. Shamar is watch. Ya, shamar, wa. Ya, shamar, wa is will watch, future tense. Alright, now they watched, female plural. Right? For the feminine plural, you add a tha at the beginning and a na at the end. For example, hun, tha, shamar, na. Alright, hun, tha, so you add a tha at the beginning, right, and a na at the end, right? That makes it feminine plural. And then what do you have here? You have the actual word shamar, which is watch, but you have the combination of letters here that make up the sentence, make it future tense, and let you know that it's plural, right, because of the hun, and also lets you know that it's speaking about a female because of the construction of the word. All right, so hun, tha, shamar, na. Hun is they, female plural. Tha, shamar, na will watch, future tense. Shamar is watch. Tha, shamar, na. Tha, shamar, na will watch, future tense. All right. So with that, that concludes the lesson. I hope you brothers learned something. Just go back and go over it. And it's pretty much self-explanatory. Once you look at it for yourself, maybe there's another way that you brothers can look at it and and learn it. Easier. I'm just presenting it to you, the way it's in the booklet, and that way you brothers can take it, and build from that. And you brothers out there, you can feel free to do Hebrew lessons yourself. Like the brother Monagun down in D.C., that brother does lessons, from time to time on the Hebrew, and the brother gets down. He breaks some scriptures down, beautifully, and he goes through the Hebrew. He goes through the, he'll take like a verse. I used to do that back in the days, take like a verse and then break the whole verse down and teach the class that way. That's beautiful. So you brothers that spirit is on to to go into it. You could make little videos here and there, to do to go into the Hebrew. All right. So with that, I'm gonna say shalom, and our Lord's will to the next time.